Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make an ending game in Roblox Studio. So firstly open up Roblox Studio, then head to My Games. From here open up the game you want to add an ending screen to. So I'll just go into my test game and wait for the game to load. So now my game has fully loaded. Now I have to go to the toolbox section and under the models tab I will search for ending GUI, then hit enter. Now you'll see a lot of ending GUIs that you can add into your game. I'll add this one. So how it works is essentially if a player passes through this transparent wall, they will have an ending screen before their eyes and the Roblox game will end for them. So like if you make an obstacle course and want it to end as soon as a player reaches the end section, you can add this transparent wall at the end of that parkour section to make it so that the player passing through the wall first gets the end game and wins the game. So in order to make it work, we need to drag this ending GUI into starter GUI. After that, expand the end frame. Now you can edit the texts in here as you wish. So here I'll just add good job, and here I'll say the end. So now if I play the game, let the game load first, and after I pass through this wall, it will say the end and good job. So for that player, the game has ended and they have received their due points. So this is how you can create an end game in your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.